Hi everyone all over the people in the world. This video is about old coins. Before I proceed to my topic, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Now I have the personal collection during the pandemic. Here you consider this one is 1980 penny D. This one is 1988. This is a penny D. This is an American coins in there. Look at there. I have a many more old coins collection. This one. This is my video. Now, please subscribe my channel for more videos of our collection about old coins. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.